Welcome everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Daily Auto TV. Today YouTube channel video on how Bittoken works, because the interface of Bittoken have changed automatically, and this video is meant for the new members and also for the old members who still understand about Bittoken. So this video is a full guide on how to register, on how to start mining, and some things you have to know on Bittoken. So I'll be telling you everything in this video. So if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel and also like this video and also comment in this video and also share this video to your friends and loved ones so they can also start mining this free coin for yourself. Understand? So now I'll go back to my WhatsApp now to start to show you how to register. So now the link is right here in the description below. So this is my link here now. So I'll click on the link. Once I click on the link, it's going to take me to any browser which I have currently. So I'm using Chrome now for it to register. So the first thing to do is to put your full name here. Put your full name and you put your Gmail, and you also leave this. You leave this referral code. You leave it now. You understand? So don't touch it. So you can also input your country and you solve the maths. Okay. Now you're saying that 5 minus 10. Which is what? Which is minus 5, you understand? So if you don't know it's minus 5, so you can also do the mathematical expression, because this thing is not static, you understand? It's not permanent, so the math problem usually change. So make sure you understand. That's what I'm trying to say now. So some people can bring like 5 times 10, you understand? Something like that. So always different. So first thing to do is to fill all the details. Once you have filled it, you'll be starting right now. So let me fill my own so you can also start. So once you click on this country part, there are a lot of countries there, you understand? So you can choose your country which you reside in, understand? So you can choose your country. There are a lot of countries, you understand? So this project is for everyone. So this is Nigeria. I'm going to choose Nigeria, you understand? That I have registered. It's going to, after you have registered, it's going to tell you your registration was successful. Please connect our Telegram bot to proceed. So let's connect your Telegram bot. So you click on this bot right here. It's going to link it to your Telegram which you have done. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you directly here. So once you click on it, you click on this start, and it's going to generate a shite ID you are going to use. So once you copy it, you have to copy the last part digit. So you copy it. Once you copy it, you go back to the registration page. So you input it there and you solve the maths. This is what I'm talking about, this maths problem now. You see, this maths problem has automatically changed again. So it is not static, which I told you earlier before. So 1 plus 3 is 4. I'll put it in. And next thing to do is to submit it. So once you are done, it's going to register automatically. Understand? So next thing is to log in your account. So once you log into your account and you solve this maths, so now I've automatically logged in through the website right now. So they're asking the OTP sent to my Telegram bot. So I'll go to my Telegram bot, which I link already. So I'll get the code now, which is what? 9389. 9389. So I'll click on this continue. So once So once you have registered successfully, next thing is to claim on this. So to claim this, you can claim or confirm, claim my console watch ads. But I prefer watching it so that I can boost my point. So to watch these ads, you need to download this app, you understand? You have to download the app. Either you download it from your Google Play Store. It's on Google Play Store, but it's not on Apple Play Store right now. So it's on Google Play Store. You download it from Google Play Store. You download it directly from your Chrome or any of your browser. Understand? Because I have it basically now, I'm going to cancel it to stop downloading. You understand? So you can download it once you are done. So I'll go directly to my app right now, which I have. So which is here now. So this is the app here now. So Bittoken. So I'll log into my details. So once I log into my details, I'll be able to start claiming. So I'll pause this video now to log into my account right now. You can see now, so I log into the app now. It's going to send the code to my bot again. So I'll just go directly to my bot, and also put into the code and input the code 8437. So I'll click on done. So the next thing for me now is to start mining this token for free right now. So once you have already started on the app, you have downloaded the app, let's say to click on this claim now. So I can watch it now. Remember that time which I want to watch the 8 is not showing now, but now it's showing because I've already downloaded the app. You understand? So you are going to wait for the ads to pop up so you can also claim your. So let me wait for the ace to load so I can also claim my points on this new account. So once you are done with watching the 8, next thing is to cancel it right here. So I'll just cancel here. So once I cancel here, you're going to show ads wash. So next thing to watch is to claim it. So once I claim, I can also claim another one after 2 hours. So after 2 hours I can claim another one. You can see right now 2 hours. After 2 hours I can also come here to come and claim another RP, which is the Bittoken. So another thing to know about Bittoken is also you can also boost your earnings here, which is from the booster. So you click on this booster right here. So once you click on this booster, you can also watch it. So it has 11 weights here, and you come to this your end part here, which is right here. Come to this end part here. When you click on this end part here, you can also watch it too. So let me cancel this one now. So I'll click on this end here. You can also watch it to complete. You can also watch it. So another very important thing is that once you have registered your account, next thing to do is go to your profile. So once you go to your profile here, this is down part here. Next thing to do is to edit. Okay, let me go back now. Next thing, once you have registered successfully, next thing is to click on this edit profile. So when you click on this edit profile, you can link your Telegram, you can link all your social media to this, you understand? So you can put your Twitter username here, all your details you put it there, you understand? So and on TikTok you can also put all your TikTok details, put it there. So your name on Facebook. So you put all your details. Yes, once you are done, you can also do other thing. You can also choose an image. So once you are done, you update your profile. So it's going to show automatically. You can see right now. So please, if you are registering, don't put ads again. So I forgot to okay. So don't need to put ads. So I'll remove all these ads which I put already now. So I'll remove all the ads. So I'll just click on update profile again now. So you can see the art is going to bring itself from the app. You understand? You don't need to put any ads there, just put your username. If your username is Okoyemi something, you just put your username and it's done. So once you are done with that, you come to this end part here. So once you're done with this end part here, you you can complete all these tasks here. YouTube videos, friends join their channel, join everything, so that you can also earn some of these tokens for yourself. Understand? So you can come to this special, which is the special which you are watching right now. So you come to this your view yard. Don't click on this view yard soon. You can also do different tasks. Understand? So the next thing is to come to this like and comment too. Come to like and comment, you can also complete the tasks. And you come to this subscribe and join too, you can also complete all these tasks. Understand? So these are the tasks you have to complete on Bittoken right now. So in my next video I'll be showing you another thing to know more about Bittoken. So if you enjoy this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and also share this video to your friends and loved ones. You can also start mining Bittoken. So the link in the description below is on the description below if you haven't started mining Bittoken. So yeah, you can also don't to miss about this opportunity, because this Bittoken has raised over $2 million for this project, and this project is going to be one of the best projects in 2025 because and it is very listing very soon now. So because you come to your wallet now, you can also see your listing, you can also see your price right here. So they are listing at $0.5. So currently current rate is what, $0.003. You understand? So on this project now, you have a lot of things to do. I can also come to this your team here. So once you have registered, copy your ref link, your referral link. You can share it to your friends and your family. You can also share it to your community so that you can also start mining this Bittoken. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.